This is the X1 Smart Lock. So it's a smart keyless entry door with the fingerprint touch keypad entry. There's a deadbolt. You can see there's 6 different ways to unlock it, and we're gonna unpackage it together. So as you open this, the manuals, instructions, and then this is the actual lock. And I chose to get the all black one with the silver knob. This is where you'll put your batteries right here. And this is the actual lock itself. So this is what will go on the front of the door. The cables. This is the fingerprint right here. This is where you'll put your phone up against it to open it. It's very heavy, very nice material. Comes with all of the hardware, the keys, everything you need to install. This is the installation guide and user manual. If you click this, you will be able to go straight to them via a website. And they give you this guide as a template to center it and ensure that it's on properly. A very nice product. This was the unpackaging. I am going to also do an installation video, but I wanted you to see the unpackaging. Very sturdy, heavy, nice material.